Welcome back to LMDiesel, and it is like 30 degrees here in Texas. It is cold, but today we have an action-packed video for you because Boost Auto just sent over some parts. Let's take a look. So we got the Boost Auto box here. It is looking good. As you can imagine, we got some top-of-the-line mirrors in this bad boy. I'm excited to open it up, unbox it, see what they sent over. Let's get it unboxed. So it looks like they actually sent out a couple fun things here. So we got a Boost Auto Parts hoodie, which looks awesome. We got the mirrors in there, and then we also got a Boost Auto Parts hat. Love that. Then I got the other box opened up here, and looks like we got all of our wiring harnesses and stuff, as well as some stickers, koozie, all that good stuff. All right, let's go ahead and pull these mirrors out. All right, so these things are actually deceivingly heavy, and I'll tell you why. So this is their top of the line model. So we have our LED switchbacks here. So when the truck's on at night, you'll get a nice white running light here, but when your blinker's on, it'll switch to yellow. These are the smoked ones as well, so they look really nice. Also on these, the mirrors themselves have the full mirror can be heated for defrosting. So on your cheap Amazon ones, it might just be a section of the mirror, not these guys. Whole mirror. Not to mention quality glass, quality parts, but the best thing about these is the fact that they have the power function. So these will power open, power close. So they'll either fold in or fold out like the new trucks. So let's go ahead and get started with getting them installed. But first, big thanks to Boost Auto for sending these out. So I'm not going to do a full in-depth install video because Boost Auto Parts actually already has a great in-depth install video already on their YouTube channel. I'll actually link it below in the description. But for this, I'm just going to give y'all kind of the general gist of what it was like to install. So step one is we got to take the door panels off. All right, so we got the door panel off. Now we're gonna go ahead and get this mirror off. So I already have it unplugged here. So it's a couple tins and then the mirror will come out. So we got our old mirror out, and I just wanted to do a quick comparison. So we have old stock mirror here, Boost Auto mirror here. First immediate thought is that this mirror is a lot lighter than that mirror. Like, this is noticeably heavier. So this mirror, as you see, you got a little bit more rounded corners, no light here, and also the old style of glass. Then with the new mirror, of course, a lot more sleek, 4th gen style, the light on the side, and then if you flip it up, you can see that it is also a much better design as far as the glass goes, much better visibility. So as far as the connection side, the stock mirror, you know, just has this one connector here. Same connector on this one, but we have a few extra connectors as well that we have to route through. So let's go ahead and get this mirror put on the truck. So just like that, the new mirror is on, and wow, definitely an improvement. It looks good. All the lines are basically flawless, as you can tell. Everything looks great, so very good. So now to the fun part, we're gonna move on to wiring. All right, so I got the driver's side door wired up. Everything's looking great. I didn't really film it because I basically just copied the video, which I'll have linked below to what Boost Auto did. So now we're gonna move over to the passenger side. I will show y'all kind of a little bit of how I do the wiring there because I'm basically gonna copy what I did on the driver's side. So let me get to the passenger side, get everything undone, hooked up, wired up, and then I'll kind of show y'all what I did on the wiring. And then at that point, we'll get everything tidied up and we'll show y'all the final result. All right, so I just finished doing the wiring on the driver's side and passenger side door. This is the passenger side door. Wanted to just kind of show y'all what I did here just because this side looks a little bit cleaner just because I had some experience with the driver's side. So as you can see, I kind of tapped those 2 wires there, ran everything really clean here, and then the little wireless module I installed right there. So a little different from how they did it in the video, but once again, if you want like an in-depth look of how to do this, definitely look at the video because they explain how to do it exactly. So now we're gonna get the door panel on, clean everything up. Oh, also forgot to say, these wires here, these are for your running lights, so you gotta run those through there. So yeah, those are for your running lights, so you can actually have switchback blinkers. So I'm gonna finish getting all of this hooked up, and then we're about to test it out and see how it looks. All right, so we got the Boost Auto mirrors fully installed and they look fantastic. So let me show you the benefits of them and why these things are so sick. Start out, it is a 4th gen style mirror with the marker light, which I will turn on. So you got this smoked white LED marker light, and what's sick is that it also connects to your blinkers, so if you hit your key, it'll actually flash yellow, then switch back, which is awesome. And then if you come over here, one of the awesome things is a lot of times these third gen mirrors, they actually will shake a decent bit while driving. They're not very stable. These mirrors, because they're the 4th gen style and they're upgraded by Boost Auto themselves, they are very stable while driving. You don't get any of that mirror shake. I had that before and it was pretty bad. You also get this whole element here is also heated, like I mentioned. And the function that everybody wants in the Boost Auto mirrors, they all want the power fold. So I'll show you how to activate that. So you got a key on, and then you'll go to the left and you'll go boom, 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 and then they go in. I mean, that is so cool, right?
No, that's okay.
My beautiful wife filming. No. So yeah, that's basically the Boost Auto mirrors. Big thanks again to Boost Auto for sending these out. So future plans with these, I do want to eventually get them color matched red to match the truck, but for now we're just kind of sticking with the black and red thing. So that's basically it. Let's continue on with the video. All right, so we're at Cars and Coffee. We're seeing what we can see. We're filming what we can film. So we're gonna drop a little B-roll for you guys. Check it out. Danny helping me get those shots. Alright, so we're actually here in Valley View, and I drove up here to do the slushy challenge with my good buddy Dylan Mackey, who won Cardi B. We're about to go talk to him and see what's new with Cardi B. So, go check this thing out. Huge, as always. Massive. You already broke a couple necks just sitting here in the parking lot, but yeah, man. So how's it been going?
Good, how's it going?
Good. How you doing, little man?
Good.
So what's new on this thing?
Just, I put all new rock lights on it, all new wheel lights. It's got GlowPro LED lighting. I'm in the process of building my rear sway bar for it, and then once that's built, I'm gonna powder coat the axle. Then I'm gonna work on the front axle. That's about it, trying to get ready for LST.
Yeah, so if y'all want to see Cardi B, definitely come to LST. But now I think we're gonna get some B-roll of this thing, and then maybe get some rollers, because it's been a while since people have seen rollers of Cardi B. So what do you think?
I'm down.
Also, my wife is here. Shout out to wifey LMDiesel. I wanted to see if she could jump up in this thing. So, babe, you want to try to jump up in it?
I mean, if he'll allow me, I don't know.
Well, yeah.
Good?
Yeah.
Give it a shot. So
There you go.
it's lifted 30 inches, right?
Yep.
I don't know. How do I do this? You help me?
Yeah.
I might need help from
Just
you.
open the door.
Just open the door?
All right.
Oh gosh. Okay. I don't want to hold that.
Oh,
You got it?
there you go.
My poor wrist.
Nice. You did good.
Truck.
It is a big truck. All right, let's see if she falls out of this thing. Nice. Let's see. Oh, an old pro.
Heck yeah, you don't need help.
You don't need help at all.
Everybody gets it a lot easier than I did.
He does good. stuff. That's a lineup right there. Look at that. Got the red truck and Cardi B. Getting some sweet shots right here. This is looking good. Decided to show up there, Daddy-O?
Yeah, bud, how you doing?
Good. You ever seen a truck that big before?
That is one big truck right there.
You want to try to get in it?
I'd like to take that in the pond and see if I can get it stuck.
It's already been in one pond.
Ponds are in?
Yeah.
You want to hear him?
Let's hear him.
Yeah.
It's too big.
Oh, man.
He jumped a little bit.
Yeah, that'll get somebody's attention.
Dude, those lights, that startup sequence is so sick.
It is.
You think you could even get up in something like that?
I'd have to get a running start and a ramp right here.
A ramp?
Just run, hit that ramp and jump right
Whoop!
in.
Go right in.
You can try it.
Give it a shot.
Oh, yeah, check that out.
And it's got the stars
Got
in.
the stars up there on the wall. So, let's see if this old man can do this here.
Can he do it?
Ooh! Oh,
Easy. How old are you again?
150.
So we got somebody else that just pulled up. Pretty sweet 5th gen. It's got all green going on. Anti-peasant light. All the green rock lights, wheel lights, and even the green headliner. Dude, this lineup is crazy right now. Sorry for the highway noise, but we got Cardi, we got my truck, then we got this sweet 5th gen that just pulled up too. So we legit have the baddest lineup right now. And we just got like some of the best rollers I've literally ever got in my life. But we're here at the gas station. We got my truck, we got Cardi B, we got the 5th gen, and we're about to film the slushy challenge. What did you say it sounded like?
It sounded like a boat out of water.
I need him to come back by.
Right there.
There he goes. Oh! What just happened? All of this lineup of trucks just makes people want to do stuff.
You should do that
It
with
does.
Cardi.
No.
No!
Yeah.
No.
All right, so we're about to fill the slushy challenge. We're doing all 3 of us. Dude, I love that truck. Well, slushy challenge was a success. You'll see how it turned out on Instagram.